Best hubcaps and wheel covers instantly refresh your vehicle's appearance, protect wheels from dirt and damage, and provide an affordable style upgrade. My today's video is about top 5 best hubcaps and wheel covers for style that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at ABX Hubcap Wheel Covers Hub. The ABX 16-inch hubcaps wheel covers offer an excellent balance of affordability, durability, and style for drivers looking to refresh their vehicle's appearance. Designed specifically for 16-inch iron wheels, these universal fit covers are compatible with many popular vehicle brands, making them a practical replacement or upgrade. Installation is quick and hassle-free thanks to the snap-on design, eliminating the need for special tools or professional assistance. Constructed from premium ABS plastic, they are built to resist everyday wear, harsh weather, and road debris while maintaining their clean finish. The adjustable retention rings provide a secure fit, helping prevent the hubcaps from loosening during daily driving when installed correctly. Beyond improving aesthetics, they also protect steel wheels from scratches, dents, and dirt, helping preserve their condition over time. With a complete set of 4 included, these hubcaps deliver an easy and budget-friendly way to give your vehicle a stylish, factory-fresh look without the expense of purchasing new wheels. Now our second product is BDK Premium Black Hubcaps 16-inch Wheel Rim Cover. The 16-inch steel wheel hubcaps are a smart and affordable upgrade for anyone looking to restore or enhance their vehicle's appearance. Designed exclusively for 16-inch factory steel wheels, these universal fit covers are compatible with most cars, trucks, SUVs, and vans, making them an excellent OEM-style replacement. Crafted from premium ABS plastic, they deliver impressive durability by resisting cracks, impacts, and everyday road while maintaining a clean, polished finish. The adjustable metal retention rings provide a secure, vibration-resistant fit, helping the hubcaps stay firmly attached even during long drives or rough road conditions. Installation is simple with a convenient snap-on design, requiring no special tools or professional assistance, making replacement fast and hassle-free. Beyond improving aesthetics, these hubcaps also help shield steel wheels from dirt, scratches, and minor damage, extending their lifespan. Combining durability, secure performance, and a sleek factory-inspired design, they offer outstanding value for drivers seeking an easy, cost-effective way to give their vehicle a fresh, refined appearance. Our third product is Saitu Premium 16-inch Hubcap Set of 4-Wheel Rim Cover. These universal 16-inch hubcaps provide an excellent combination of style, protection, and value for drivers looking to refresh their vehicle without replacing the entire wheel set. Designed to fit most 16-inch steel wheels on popular brands such as Acura, Chevrolet, Dodge, Ford, Honda, Hyundai, Mazda, Mitsubishi, Nissan, and Toyota, they offer broad compatibility for many vehicles. Constructed from upgraded premium ABS plastic, these wheel covers closely replicate the appearance of original factory hubcaps while delivering impressive resistance to everyday impacts, scratches, and road debris. The snap-on installation system makes fitting quick and straightforward, while the adjustable retention rings help create a secure, customized fit for different wheel sizes when properly adjusted. Their sleek, factory-inspired design instantly enhances the vehicle's overall appearance, giving older wheels a clean, polished look. Each package includes a complete set of 4 16-inch hubcaps, making it an affordable and practical solution for restoring worn steel wheels while adding long-lasting protection and an attractive OEM-style finish. Now number 4, Winjet 4-Pack Premium 16-inch Wheel Rim Cover. These 16-inch hubcaps are an excellent choice for drivers seeking an affordable way to restore their vehicle's appearance while protecting factory steel wheels. Designed specifically for 16-inch iron and steel wheels, they provide a universal fit for many popular vehicle brands, including Toyota, Nissan, Honda, Ford, Chevrolet, Kia, Mazda, Hyundai, Mitsubishi, Subaru, and Volkswagen. Before purchasing, verifying there are 16 marking on your tire ensures proper compatibility. Manufactured from premium ABS plastic, these wheel covers are built to withstand daily driving, extreme temperatures, and harsh weather while helping reduce rust, corrosion, and minor wheel damage. The adjustable retention ring creates a secure, stable fit, and the convenient clip-on design allows for quick installation without requiring special tools or professional assistance. Their factory-inspired styling instantly refreshes worn wheels, giving your vehicle a cleaner and more modern appearance. Available in multiple colors and sizes, these hubcaps offer both customization and reliable performance, making them a practical, budget-friendly upgrade for long-term style and wheel protection. And our last choice is Windjet Universal Hubcaps Black Matte Wheel Cover. The Windjet 16-inch wheel hub covers are a practical and stylish solution for upgrading the appearance of vehicles equipped with factory 16-inch iron wheels. Before purchasing, it's important to confirm your tire is marked R16, as these covers are not compatible with aluminum alloy wheels. Their universal design fits many cars, trucks, and SUVs, making them a versatile replacement for worn or damaged factory hubcaps. Constructed from durable ABS and PC materials, these wheel covers offer excellent resistance to impacts, weather, and everyday road conditions while maintaining a clean, modern finish. They effectively replace faded, rusty, or aging hubcaps, instantly giving your vehicle a refreshed OEM-inspired look. Installation is straightforward thanks to the snap-on design, allowing most users to complete the process in about 10 minutes without specialized tools. The included installation accessories and video instructions make fitting even easier. Backed by responsive customer support, these hubcaps provide an affordable combination of durability, easy installation, and long-lasting style for everyday driving. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.